Hi everyone, you're watching Anonymous Gyan, and today we are going to see how to install MingW in our Mac system. Okay, so MingW is basically a compiler we are going to use to run our C and C++ code in Visual Studio. So without any further delay, let's get started. So to install MingW, we need to install Homebrew first, and then using Homebrew, we will install MingW. So let's open Chrome first and search brew.sh. So here we can see there's a command over here. So what we need to do, we need to copy this command and then we go to the spotlight, search for terminal and paste the command here and return. So it will ask you for your Mac password. So you have to enter the password and press enter. So we have to enter again. So now it will install Homebrew. It will take some time, so we are going to wait. So as we can see, Homebrew is installed. So we are gonna check once more by giving a command brew hyphen hyphen version. So after giving brew version command, we can see that brew not found. So the problem is we have to run these three commands again. So what we are gonna do is copy the first command and paste it here. Enter. Then we will copy the another command and paste it here. Enter. And we'll copy the third command and paste it here and then enter. Now we'll check again for the version. So brew hyphen hyphen version, and here we can see we have Homebrew 3.6.5 installed. Now we are going to install MingW by giving a very simple command, and that is brew install MingW hyphen w64 and press enter. So we can see that we have completely installed MingW in our Mac, and now we can easily run our C and C++ programs in VS Code. So that's all for this video. If the video is helpful, then please like the video, and for more such amazing videos, subscribe to the channel.